When you're using multiple windows on your Mac, it can be difficult and cumbersome to manage. Now there's SizeUp, the perfect space management solution for all those messy windows. SizeUp allows you to quickly resize and position your windows with simple keyboard shortcuts, or by using a handy menu bar icon. SizeUp comes with a number of predefined actions for resizing or moving the frontmost window of almost any application. Safari, Finder, Pages, it doesn't matter. SizeUp will work its magic to help wrangle your windows into place. Furthermore, you can easily move a window from one monitor to another, or move a window from one space to another. SizeUp is highly configurable, allowing you to reserve space at the edges of your screen, or add some distance between windows to avoid shadow overlap. Trigger SizeUp actions in any application with user-configurable global keyboard shortcuts. SizeUp makes it easy to manage files in Finder, juggle terminal windows, research on the web, and much, much more. Make optimal use of your screen while saving precious time and frustration. See what SizeUp can do for you. Download a free trial today or learn more at irradiatedsoftware.com.